Hello everyone, and then welcome to another video. By now you might be thinking how you could generate that kind of money. Okay, so this is all about online surveys. So once you are able to perform the survey or complete the task, then you get paid. It's as simple as that. So let me walk you through the process, and then you know what this is really about. And then I'll urge you to subscribe to the channel, then hit on the bell icon in case you are interested in any of my videos. Okay, so let's get right into this video. So from here we could see the various packages. Okay, but first you will need to sign up. Okay, so I would, for my video description, you could see that I've added a link to the description. So you just click on the link and then it will send you straight to the site, and then you sign up. So after signing up, you would have to verify your WhatsApp account. Okay, so you'll be sent to a page where you will be required to verify your account. It's mostly based on how valid your details are. Okay, so once you insert the right details, you'll be automatically verified. So after verification, so during the verification, you have to first register with your WhatsApp account. Okay, that's your WhatsApp number, which corresponds to your WhatsApp name. Okay, so when we take a look at this one, you could see my name over here. Okay, yes, that's my name over there. This name corresponds to my WhatsApp account. So after that, then you'll be able to contact a customer service personnel via WhatsApp, so that personnel will just verify your account for you. Okay, so after verification, then you start to earn. Okay, it depends on you, whatever you do. Okay, so it could be either taking up surveys or buying packages or anything of that sort. So let's first talk about the easiest part. Okay, so this is Point International is a Korean business or a company or a firm. So what you do is first, you don't have to do any work. Okay, you don't have to do anything. You just wake up maybe in the morning, and then you log on to your account, and then you start earning. Okay, so let me take you through the various processes how you could earn. Okay, so first you could invite other people. Okay, so invite other people to become members, and then through your invite, the person gets verified. Okay, after verification, the person receives this amount. Okay, this amount. And then one thing you have to know is that there's no limit to the number of invitations, so you could invite as many people as you want. Okay, and then the next one is to take surveys every day. Okay, so the survey, so the survey varies. So it could be any amount. Okay, it varies from 1 cedi upwards. Okay, so that's why they stated over here that there's a tax every day. You can get 1 cedi for completing the tax, and it's totally free. And then you could buy an experience fund. Okay, so let me take you through the purchase of the funds. Okay, so these are the funds. Okay, these are the funds. Okay, so from 100. Okay, so this is valid for 3 days. So you buy the fund at an amount of 100 cedis, and then you get profit of 6 cedis or more. That's in commission. Okay, it varies. And then we have the packages. So we have VIP packages, VIP 1, VIP 2, that's up to VIP 8. So aside logging into your account and then earning money every day, you could decide to boost your earnings by either inviting your friends or buying a package. So for VIP1, the package is it will cost an amount of 200 cedis, and then it's valid for 30 days, and then you get 12 cedis for every tax. Okay, so every day you will be taking a single tax, and then you earn 12 cedis for that. That's for VIP1 package. Okay, and then for the VIP2 package, you'll be purchasing that package at 500 cedis, and it will be also valid for 30 days, just like the VIP1. And then you'll be performing one tax each day, and then you'll be earning 30 cedis for that specific tax. Okay, so let's look at the VIP8. So you can see that the VIP8 is it will cost an amount of 50,000 Ghana cedis, and then it's valid for 30 days, and then there are 14 tax each day. Okay, so when you multiply 225 Ghana cedis by 14 tax per day, you realize that you might be getting even a higher amount than the 50,000 Ghana cedis. Okay, so the only way you could upgrade your earnings or earn more on the site is to upgrade to either of the VIP packages. Okay, so that's another way you could earn from this site. It's as simple as that. You just purchase the package, you upgrade, and then you start earning. You just perform simple tasks every day, and then you just cash out. So one thing you have to know is that you could withdraw your money within any day, anytime, anywhere. Okay, so it's either you use your verified or certified Momo account to withdraw your money, or you use a bank account. So one thing you have to know is that within the 30 days you could withdraw only 2 times. So it's either you withdraw your money on the 3rd day or 10th day or the 26th day or whatever. So far as you only withdraw 2 times within the 30 days. Okay, and then the maximum amount you can withdraw is 50 cedis. Okay, that's the minimum. So you could withdraw as much as you want, but the minimum withdrawal should be 50 cedis. Okay, so these are the packages, and then the surveys or the tax. You just perform the tax. After that, you just earn your commission. Okay, you earn your commission after every survey. So in case you are just a beginner, just like this account, okay, once you want to upgrade, just click on the upgrade, and then you confirm the upgrade. Okay, so the amount to in order to purchase this package is 200 cedis, so it will be deducted from your previous earnings. Okay, that's through your Momo account, and then once you confirm, and you are good to go. Okay, that's how it works. So I will show you some proofs. Okay, proof of earnings. Let's take a look at this one first. Okay, so you could see that this here are 128 invitees. Okay, so from the 128 invitees, every single invitee would earn you a commission of 2 cedis. Okay, so this 2 cedis multiplied by 128, it will give you a specific amount. Okay, and then for this part, a package was bought. Okay, so from this one is 12 cedis package, that's VIP1. So from here you could see that VIP1 is the commission is 12 cedis. Okay, yes, and then that package was bought yes, and then at the end of the day you just withdraw your money. Okay, so the money will be sent through your mobile money wallet. Okay, or in case you have a bank account, you just link it, and then you just withdraw your money. Okay, and then let's look at the other earning. Okay, so this one too, it was 62 invitees. Okay, so every invitee will earn a commission of 2 cedis. So you just multiply the 2 cedis by 62 invitees, and then you get your commission. Okay, so a package of VIP1 was also purchased, and then we earn the commission from that. So you can see that the amount is over here. Okay, and there are lots of people earning from this site. Trust me, there are lots of customers earning every day. They just wake up and then they just log onto their account, and then they get their commission for just logging in. Okay, and then in case they want to purchase a package, they just go on to perform the simple surveys or tasks, and then they get their commission. That's it. You just don't have to do any kind of work. You just complete simple surveys and then you get your earnings. You could see that there are too many WhatsApp authentication messages every day, so which can cause an exception in the customer service WhatsApp. So in case you are wondering, after logging and then registering and then logging and then trying to certify your account, it might take a while, but you have to know, one thing you have to know is that there are numerous of these customers who want to also get their accounts verified or certified. So it might take time, but surely, most definitely, they will just confirm or certify the account for you, and then there you go. You'll be ready to earn. So these are some proofs of earnings. Okay, the number they cannot give you all the 9 digits or 10 digits or whatever it is. So they just give you only nine digits. Okay, so this person has earned 1,242 Ghana cedis, 509 Ghana cedis, 986 Ghana cedis, 1,082. Yes, this one just earned 2,000. Yes, so this is really legit, very, very legit. I would urge you to subscribe to this channel and then hit on the bell icon, like the channel, and then like the video too. Okay, then I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.